And all across the state, some folks are still waiting for their tax refund check. We're digging deeper into that. Plus, we're looking into the tax department's aggressive stance on collection enforcement to get people to pay their taxes. And here with us this afternoon is Isaac Choi, the director of the State Department of Taxation, and also Lynn Araki-Regan. She's the Hawaii State Tax Collector. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having us.
Yes. And so you started close to 3 years ago,
sure, yeah.
heading that department, and you started last year. So what are some of the things that you folks have been doing to really take an aggressive stance on collection?
Well, first of all, Marissa, I like to introduce your audience to the Hawaii State Tax Collector. When you do write your check out and you write it out to the Hawaii State Tax Collector, here she is. And she's the person that collects all your money. So one of the things that we do is we didn't have a tax collector for a long time. With Lynn's background in collections, she's just the right person for the job. And to make sure that everybody pays their fair share, because we all know that if somebody doesn't pay their fair share, right, others must make up for that. And we just want to make sure everybody is equally treated.
Is that a big problem, people not paying their taxes, Lynn?
There is a percentage of our taxpayers that don't pay pay taxes, and we want to ensure that everyone pays their fair share. And so if upon receiving notices, they're still not responsive, we want to ensure that they pay. And if legal action needs to be taken, we'll do so.
And is it a big problem in Hawaii, or for the most part, people seem to be complying?
Well, Marissa, 96% of the people in Hawaii are honest taxpayers. They never have to deal with the department. But we still do have a 4% part of our population that needs a little nudging. And although she may look small, she's a very, very tough girl, and you don't want her knocking on your door.
She has such a friendly face, though.
Don't let her fool you.
All right, now one of the things that's top of mind is the state tax refund.
Absolutely.
Especially the people who haven't gotten their check yet. Mm-hmm. So here's what one viewer had to ask you.
Hi, I'm Stephanie, and I'm from Kaneohe, and my question is regarding the state refund. My question is, I have not received my refund, and I'm not sure if it's due to being income-based or if all residents of Hawaii will also receive the check.
Okay, so basically she's asking, she hasn't gotten her check, and so she wants to know if it's income-based because she hasn't gotten her check yet, so she's just wondering what's the holdup.
Okay, so you'll get if you filed your 2021 return, you'll get a check for either $100 or $300 based on your income. Okay, so if she hasn't got a refund yet, she probably didn't deal with the department electronically. All the filers for 2021 who dealt with the department electronically, in other words, filed the return electronically and paid electronically, should have gotten their check at least 4 weeks ago. Now, we're having a little supply chain problems, so the paper checks have yet to come out. And actually, I think you took a poll or something, and they responded 78% of the people didn't receive their check yet. A lot of people are going to be disappointed because I only got about 30% more to go. About 90,000 paper checks have gone out. Or I should say all the checks are in Hawaii now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I only got about 90,000 checks have gone out. Maybe I need to do about 150,000 more. We're sending about 20,000 a day. So, just about the first week in November, everybody should have gotten their paper check.
And if they did file electronically and haven't gotten theirs yet, they contact you folks?
Yes. If they did business with us electronically, right, and filed their 2021 return, they shouldn't have gotten their refund in their bank account already. Because that doesn't require a paper check.
Okay.
Visit our website for daily updates.
Okay.
Yeah, we have.
And final question, I know you're an accountant, and so is there anything people can do, end of year is coming up, is there anything people can do to save money on their taxes?
Oh my, save money on their taxes? Blasphemy.
No.
Oh, stop that. No. Of course, nobody wants to pay more than their fair share. But like anything else, prepare for the year end by getting your documents together, seeing your tax preparer, okay, and making sure that you take advantage of the tax code as much as possible, making sure that you pay the right amount of taxes.
And if you get a notice from us, reach out to us by website, by email, by phone, call us, and we'll work something out.
Okay. All right, great advice there. Thank you so much, Isaac and Lynn.
Thank you.
Thank
Glad
you.
to have
Thank
you
you
here
for
this
having us.
afternoon.
Thanks.
And over to you, Lay.